Hey everybody, it's Bosun here. So this is the story of Rosalind, an American cat boot that was offered to myself and the bosun's mate Alfie. We went out and took a look at it. We weren't really planning on buying any more boots or taking any in, but this one caught our eye because it's rather special. And it was a rather sad story as well, that a lady's husband had purchased the boot many years ago with the notion of fixing it up, but sadly ill health set in and he never got round to finishing it. So we took it back to the boot yard and we started straight away with a jet wash and then started stripping all the flaky paint off the decks, repairing the cracks in the plywood, and that day turned into about 5 weeks until we eventually got into the stage of where we can now take it for a sale. So we negotiated with the lady that would take it on, and on two understandings. One, that we would dedicate the boot to her. So we've named it Rosalind. The second understanding was that once it was finished, herself and her family will come down and visit us one day in August and go out for a lovely sail in the boat. I hope you enjoy this little video and much more content to come. Any questions about American cat boots? Let me know in the comments below. Tatty bye now.